guys, today we have a empties video, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it. Got a few things to go through in here, so we'll go through that and talk about the products and my thoughts and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so the first thing I have in here is the Vanilla Co. Clean at Zero Cleansing Balm. I actually really like this. I really don't like the smell of it, to be honest, but to me it smells like, what does it smell like? I don't know. I don't like the smell of it though, but it works really well to get my makeup off. I think my favourite one is still like the Clinique one. I feel like the Clinique one's my favourite, but yeah, no, it did a really good job and I really do like it, and it lasted me a very long time. It took me a while to use it up, so yeah, I do really like that. Next, I went through one of the Bond Pro fortifying conditioners. I think I still have a bit of the shampoo left. I do like this, but I really like the Just Smooth one by Goldwell much better. I feel like Just Smooth works a lot better in my hair. Yeah, no, I thought it was good, but if I had to give out a personal recommendation, I would go for Just Smooth. I probably won't be repurchasing this one because, like I said, I love the Just Smooth one. But yeah, if you're looking for a good shampoo and conditioner, Just Smooth from Goldwell is really, really good. Okay, a few things in here like I didn't get to use up, but they're done, so we'll talk about that. This is the what is it? The Jouer, I think. The Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder in Light. Mine broke and fell all over the floor, so that's why I see my empties video. But I really do love this powder. I think it is so nice. It's like the only powder that I've got that I feel like actually hydrates your face. It's really weird, but I really, really like it. And when I use up some more powders, I really do want to repurchase this because, once again, I absolutely love it. I think it's such a good product. It's just a shame that it broke. But anyway. This is the Versailles Skin Tune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. I don't think Versailles is a brand anymore, but I absolutely loved this. I thought it was so good. The only reason it's in my empties is because it went all mank because I had it for too long. But I absolutely used to love this. I thought it was such a good primer and it made my skin look so amazing. I'm really sad about Versailles. Like, let me just double check that my information is correct. But yeah, I'm pretty sure they're not a brand anymore, which I don't know why. Yeah, well, they're not on Sephora anymore. Let me just like, are they still a thing? Because they still have a website, so I don't know. I really thought that they weren't. I'm so confused. If anyone knows what's going on with Versailles and could tell me, that would be great, because I'm really confused as to if they're still a brand or not. But anyway, I really love that product. I thought it was so good. This is the Chi Chi Brow Pomade. I didn't use it all up, but it is so dried up now, which is probably fair because I've had it for so many years. But I absolutely love this. I think it's on par with Anastasia. I feel like Anastasia's is just a little bit smoother and a little bit creamier. But yeah, this works pretty much the same and it's really good. I really do like it. The Clinique mascara, I think this is just in here because it's dried up, and if I'm being honest, I don't really remember much about it. It didn't really make too much of an impact, so... we have the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I actually really like this. I think it's so good. This tube is so old. I got it like when I first started makeup like years ago. But yeah, no, I really do like this. And once again, like when I use up a few more mascaras, I will eventually repurchase it. I've got some of the XO Beauty lashes in here. They're only in here because I've just used them so many times and they've just gone gross. But so we have like the normal ones, and then there's like the faux mink ones, which I actually need to have a look and see, like, because I know that they've got new lashes now. Like, I know some of them have been discontinued. So yeah, there's like just her normal kind of like natural lashes, and then she's actually got magnetic lashes now. I didn't know that. And then I think she still has some of, yeah, the faux mink lashes, but in different styles now. But, you know, I do really like XO Beauty lashes. I think they're such good quality. And I got these once again when I first started makeup and they lasted me such a long time. So yeah, I think they're really good. I can't recommend them high enough. And I feel like they're a really good price. They're less than like $10 each, and I got so many uses out of these. But yeah, I've had these since maybe like 2017, 2018, so that's coming up to like 5 years, and they were still going strong, but I just got rid of them because it's at the point now where I'm like, they're too make. I can't keep going. So yeah, but I really do like them. Other lashes that I absolutely loved are the Chi Chi ones. I think Chi Chi lashes are so good. They're the Look Real faux lashes, and I really loved these. Once again, they lasted me so long, but it just, yeah, got to the point where I can't even be bothered cleaning them anymore, if you know what I mean. Like, honestly, I still probably could get more uses out of them, but I feel like it's just that I went through and like cleaned out all of my lashes, so I could buy new ones and just kind of start fresh. But I do really love the Chi Chi lashes. These are the Colourpop faux lashes. I didn't love these ones as much. They're just not super my style. They're very natural, so if you like natural lashes, you'd probably really like them, but I'm a much more of like a full-on lash girl, to be honest. Like, I like big dramatic fake looking lashes, but they were really good quality, but yeah, they're just not my style. But yeah, apart from that, they were fine. It's a personal preference thing. Okay, I used up the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel shower gel. I absolutely love this. I think it's so good. I love all the Bath & Body Works shower gels. I think they're amazing. I really wanted to put in another Bath & Body Works order, but I'm on a tight budget at the moment, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, I love Bath & Body Works shower gels. I also used up one of the Whipped Confetti Body Scrubs. I absolutely love these. I thought these were so cool. Not only did it smell amazing, but it just worked. It was such a good body scrub. Oh, it smells so good. And yeah, I really love it. And the little confetti things in it are so cute. I used up the Sleepy shower gel from Lush, and I'm pretty sure I've already got some more, because Sleepy is something that I always have in my collection. It's my favourite scent from Lush, and I absolutely love it. Once again, I really love Lush shower gels. They lather up really nice. And yeah, Sleepy is one of my favourite scents. This is the Body Shop Coconut Shower Cream. Once again, Body Shop is one of my favourite like body care brands. It's Bath & Body Works, but Body Shop and Lush. Those are my three favourite. And yeah, this is in the shade Coconut scent, sorry. It's not my favourite scent, like, don't get me wrong, like, it smells amazing, but it's just not my favourite one. But yeah, once again, I really like the Body Shop formula. This is the Soul Body Vanilla Dream Body Polish. So this is like Colourpop's sister brand. I loved this product, but I feel like I used it up so quick. I feel like I used it in like 5 washes. So I feel like you don't get a lot of product in there. Let's see. It says 85 grams. 85 grams, so. But yeah, I feel like I used it up super quick, but it smells amazing and it felt so good on the skin. But yeah, I just didn't like how quick it ran out, so. Okay, this is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I absolutely love this. I need to buy another one because both of mine are used up. These, once again, they have been around for absolute years, but this is one of my all-time favourite brow gels. Like, it'll keep your brows locked in for life, literally. You have to scrub to get them, to get it out. But yeah, it's such a good brow gel. It's so amazing, and they last forever. Got quite a few Stila Glitter and Glows in here, and Shimmer and Glows, and these are only in here because they've dried up. Absolutely love the Stila Glitter and Glows. My only complaint is, yeah, how quick they dry up. But once again, I have had these for years. But I feel like that's a pretty common complaint, is that they dry up super quick, which I feel like it's notorious to happen for these kind of creamy kind of products. Unfortunately, they do dry up a lot quicker than other products. But yeah, I think these are amazing. They're such good quality. They are more on the expensive side, but I always buy like the little sets of 3. And I just think they're so pretty. They are so pretty, they work so well, and they look so good. So I really love them. I want to buy some more eventually, but yeah. I used up a mini one of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mists. This was from one of their Christmas collections a little while ago, and it smells so good. It's like the last of it. But yeah, I absolutely love this spray. So good. I've got another like 2 in here. So then I've got another one in my drawer, so I've got 3 backups in different scents. But yeah, absolutely love the Morphe Continuous Mist. It's such a good one, and I feel like it's very popular, so other people love it too. This is the BH Cosmetics Stellar Lash Mascara. I just threw this out because once again I was getting a bit old, but I actually really did like this mascara. I thought it was really cool, really good, made my lashes look really nice. So I have the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I absolutely love these. Another one of my all-time favourite brow gels. I've already got another one. I don't know where it is, but I think I've got like 2 on standby because I love them. I think they're so good. And then we also have the Benefit Gimme Brow, which is another one of my favourites. Works so well and looks so good, and they last forever. Like, I'm pretty sure these are the two that I bought when I first started makeup, so like another like 5 years ago. So I have a Nude by Nature lipstick in here. Oh yeah, it's just because I got a little bit munted. It was just a lipstick, if I'm being honest. It wasn't anything great, nothing to write home about. This is the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. I'm pretty sure I did really like this. It lasted a long time and it was only a small one. But yeah, I think it looked pretty good. I honestly haven't used it in a while, so I can't really remember, but I think I liked it, I think. I was so sad about this. This was the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter, and I absolutely love this, but once again it broke, so it's in my empties now. But yeah, no, I really liked it. I love Becca highlighters. I think they're so good. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Once again, I don't really remember too much about it, so I feel like it wasn't super impressionable, but anyway. I have the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. I absolutely loved this, but once again it broke. Why does all my makeup keep breaking? But yeah, no, I thought it was really good and I did really like it. It's such a pretty shade and such a pretty finish, but yeah, unfortunately it's broken. So. This is the Morphe Eyelid Primer in Translucent. I think it's gone all gross, which is why I got rid of it. But honestly, ever since I've gotten my P. Louise base, no eye base comes close. So it's a good eye base, but it's nothing on my P. Louise. So have the Fasali Unicorn Essence. These were alright. I didn't notice a huge, like, they didn't make as big of an impact on me as what the Skin Tune Blur did. I really loved that one. But yeah, I feel like this was a huge trend back in the day, and it did smell really nice and it did look really pretty and it was really cute and satisfying, but not a product I'm gonna miss. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in white. Before I got my P. Louise base, this is what I used to use to cut my crease and it looked so good. I love the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I think it's amazing. And yeah, unfortunately I just have my P. Louise base now, so I don't really need it. But I've got another backup and I use it for stuff like special effects and stuff like that. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist, and it went all weird, so I threw it out. But I did really like this. I thought it was super nice. But yeah, it went off super quick, so. And then the last thing in here is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, sorry. And I do like this, but on me it smells like cat pee. It smells really good in the thing. And then when I put it on my skin, it makes me smell like cat pee, so I'm really glad to have used that up. But in saying that, I love the original one, the I don't know, but you know, the normal one, the yellow one. I don't even know what it's called. But anyway, I did like this, but yeah, I like the yellow one a lot better. And yeah, I'm not gonna miss this because it made me smell weird. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!